Hello everyone, my name is Matt from Real World Review. Today I will be telling you about my experience with the company Razer when it comes to having an issue with my Razer phone. Razer is known for making gaming laptops and headsets, so I was interested when they came out with a phone. I learned a while ago that they bought the company Nextbit, so I wasn't too surprised that they were making a phone, but still. I purchased a Razer phone at a discounted price at a local reseller and started using the phone because I was a little bit interested on reviewing it. Also, I wanted to see that amazing 120Hz screen. Anyways, there ended up being an issue with the phone, and having dealt with Apple and Samsung for warranty before, I assumed that Razer would cooperate in a fair manner. In a way, I was right. The issue that I was having with the phone is that the screen was showing half of the screen, and the other side would either go blank or static. Also, sometimes the backlight would not show up at all. Immediately, I thought that this would be a simple repair, probably 15 minutes to fix? But why? Why would I work on this when the phone isn't even a year old and it doesn't have any physical damage? The phone was actually in really good condition. So what I did is I set up a live chat with Razer, and I don't remember why. I don't know if it was because I was out of the calling hours or I didn't feel like calling. Either way, I contacted them, went over some basic troubleshooting over the phone, and quickly was instructed to send the phone in to Razer. They emailed me this list, which I thought was pretty interesting. Companies like Apple and Samsung don't do things like this, but I have had a company do this. I can't remember who it was, but I've done something like this before. So I didn't really rush on it. It took me a few days to fill it out, and I waited for the response. They said that they needed proof of purchase, and here's where it got interesting. Unlike other companies I dealt with, they required that the phone be purchased at an authorized reseller. I know other companies do that, but Apple and Samsung generally don't care. This somewhat makes sense, but at the same time, I'm sending the phone to Razer. If this phone is refurbished by a third party or counterfeit, they should be able to tell me when they receive the phone. At least, that's what I assume. Either way, they sent me an email saying that the reseller that I bought it from, which they misspelled by the way, does not qualify for the warranty. However, they will honor the warranty just this one time. Reasonable. So they proceeded to send me many emails telling me what the RMA number is and sending me a shipping label. I packaged the phone appropriately, forgot to write the RMA on the outside of the box, which they told me to do, but either way, and then I dropped the phone off at a postal service that they chose. Fast forward to about a week later, and here we are. I don't know why, but I thought it was interesting that they sent me a phone from Ontario, California. Maybe that's why it got here quickly. Anyways, let's open the box. Okay, so here's the paper telling me what they did, which is pretty much they just gave me a new phone. Okay, it says that it's refurbished, but still, that might not be a bad thing. So let me cut off these labels so it'll help me when editing this video, and we'll open the box. And here's the phone. So they just sent me another phone rather than fixing my phone that I sent to them. That would be good for some people if they need to get their phone fixed, but it might be an issue if people really need the information on their phone. So let's power this phone on and check a few things. I'll set up the phone later, but what I really want to see is this. Not only did I get another phone, but it's also on Android 7.1.1, which makes sense because they probably had it sitting for a while. Not an issue for me, but it might be an issue for some. So that's it. It was a little concerning, but it's pretty cool that they sent me another phone rather than just fixing mine. Overall, this process took about 10 to 15 minutes of chatting online to start the process, and about a week to a week and a half to receive the phone. Not too bad, really. Now all that I have to do is put a tempered glass on this phone, which is pretty easy, and review the phone, which you guys will see in the next few days. When the reviews go up, I will update the description. And that's it for this video. If you have any questions, leave them in the comment section below or on Twitter at MattofRWR. And feel free to follow me on the social media listed above. Also, subscribe to my channel if you want more repair and review videos. Thanks for watching.